Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn a simple way how you can add editor to your YouTube channel. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be on your dashboard. Now just click settings. Settings, you want to click on permissions. And now click invite. Now you can just easily write user email and access and click editor. And as you can see, editor can edit everything, can add or remove others, delete videos or the channel, or enter into contracts. So this is the editor, and also you can add like manager here, viewer, and can add and remove others, edit everything, can delete the channel. So that's it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.